Hi there, here we are with our patient Daniel.
I'm back here for a second procedure because I like the first one, very good. Very relaxed, and then the hair starts coming through and then the smile gets bigger.
In the past week we've had a patient from Egypt, a patient from Trinidad and Tobago. We brought the entire hairline down and around the whole way. Perfect, you feel great.
I would say do it. If you're ever thinking about it, do it. Very comfortable, very relaxed. The aftercare is incredible. Lots of support, and yeah, your smile will get bigger throughout the year when the hair comes through.
I was a handsome guy and I felt manly, but not with the hair loss. My procedure went very, very well. Everybody was very, very accommodating, friendly. I feel better about myself now. It's impacted my life. I feel better. I feel like it was a good investment. This is a long-term benefit for me, so I'm very happy with what I did. I recommend Dr. Bolton highly. He's a great guy, does nice work. I recommend him to everybody. It was very simple, very, very simple procedure. Hey Doc, you know people have jars with suckers in them? You should have a jar with combs in them, so we can grab a comb when they leave.
Perfect.
They'll need it later.
Good idea. Thanks.
I think it was in my early 20s when I first noticed hair loss. You know, losing your hair is certainly a hit to your ego. I actually ran across Dr. Bolton's website pretty early on and was just amazed by the results that are on there. So many stories, so many before and after. You can really see the results. The day of my procedure was great. I live in Connecticut, so I flew down the morning of. Having hair again, like when I was in my teens and early 20s, has been amazing. I would absolutely recommend Dr. Bolton to others. Dr. Bolton, thank you.
26 to 28 years old, I started losing some hair. A friend of mine told me about him. So I came here, so I said, well, I will give him a try. And I came here and I realized that's the place that I was looking for. He looked great, very good density. He looks totally different. Thank you very much.